Yeah, a lot of it didn't work in my favor. You know what I'm saying? Because that's leverage. If you're the number one artist in the world, not just in dancehall, in the world, that's a lot of leverage.
Showing off a little bit.
But that's a leverage. Yeah, that's a leverage. You remember now? All right, Bombastic. Mm-hmm. The first dancehall album
Guys, today I'm here to ask my daddy VYBZ KARTEL a chance. Cause
yo, hear me I say, people. You see, if me never sure say I may run the place, no other time, me sure say me I run the place. No.
We know nothing going on for you. And you're not getting a big buckets. But stop move like a bitch on the internet here. He's a man.
Andrew officially done school in a prison to pussy. Watch it. A prison bus that right, dog. Freedom.
Andrew, let's
oh, God. Look how the man.
How you do? My love for you will never die.
Wagwan people, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nandi. You know it's your boss, Nandi and I building. So, me have some topics to break to today as it pertains to Foota Hype answering back to Mr. Vegas and the stuff them of Vegas say about Foota Hype in him recent live. So, Foota Hype said some things about the dancehall artist them where I blacklist him. And he want to say he's currently at the hottest topic in the media right now because every vlog and every post where him see right now are him see himself on every vlog. So, me have that clippings if a play for now, we can talk about it. And also, we have some other clippings with some Gaza fans that say some things about VYBZ KARTEL and him releasing from prison and him waking up dancehall back and so forth. But let me know what you think about that. And also, again, we have me see a clippings with a youth from Africa. Him a ball to VYBZ KARTEL. I say, yo, of 5 years, him a do vibes, him a sing over VYBZ KARTEL song on him TikTok, and he's waiting for VYBZ KARTEL to give him a response, to give him a highlight or something for fly him out to Africa and fly him to Jamaica so him can be by his side. Because him say VYBZ KARTEL I'm daddy, and so forth. But and another clippings, we have a school bus. You remember the school bus where they on the market in Portland where the yellow school bus where they make for the school as them. Me see some illiterate people attack and I say, yo, Andrew Holness turn the school bus them in a prisoner bus because the student them in a school bus, the bus. I don't know if them they know say the yellow school bus is school bus and not a prisoner bus. So me have the clippings of Funos. And also, me have a clippings with Shaggy as state say, yo, him not see nobody will do it like him in the dancehall space and he has the #1 song out of dancehall, the biggest song out of dancehall. You know the ongoing debate about VYBZ KARTEL, Sean Paul and Shaggy, who is the GOAT or who is the greatest of all time. So it looks like Shaggy shut down the whole conversation as it pertains to who is the real GOAT or who did the biggest thing in the dancehall or did it big for the genre. So me have that clippings also. So all I want to do, I make sure you like, subscribe and share and hit that post notification bell. You know it go already, man. A Vibes and Insight. Let's just jump right into some of the hot topic them. Mad.
I seen it all sometime I feel me live this life before. Nothing really surprised, we are excited no more. Waiting on the clouds, we foot up on the floor. All over ground, there's a floor, and on the floor.
So in this next clippings, me have Foota Hype break his silence as it pertains to, the old saga where I go down with Vegas after Vegas run out pan him and diss him away. And that style too. But, Foota Hype come to clear the air and I say what I have to say. And also, he's stating that currently right now in a dancehall space, him are the hottest thing because him name just a run like hot bread. So people, listen what Foota Hype have to say.
Need to delete. Yo, hear me I say, people. You see, if me never sure say I may run the place, no other time, me sure say may I run the place. No. Nobody can tell me nothing. When me look yesterday, Zine, and me see upon social media, and me the everywhere on social media, if I know my video them a post, them go live attack about me. I am the man of the moment. I am the man. I are the one. And what people need to understand, you know, me not have time to worry about what people I say after me say what me I say already, you know. Now make sense. Jazzy T, we are dealing. Me just get up every day and me just thank God say, I know nobody I call his shots for God. And God call him shots for himself. The amount of people me hear attack. Oh, Foota this, Foota that, Foota this, Foota that. See? Remember, you know, them say, me live in a barber shop. Them say, me live in a car. Them say, me don't get no date. Them say, oh, one new, they not new for say, man. Me still straight. Me still not eat no front. Me still not sex no bottom. How they not talk about them good qualities there? You know, landlord that say, Foota, if you come out of them place. You know, eviction. So them things they no count. Yeah. Them things they no count. Easy like Sunday morning, man. You know? Thank you, Hazel Eyes. What them fi understand, you know? You see, the speakers of truth and the defenders of righteousness will not have all the material things, you know, and will not have all the glamour and the glitter that catches the eye, but will be very, very, very great and have an abundance of blessings and good things where you can't see with your natural eye. You hear them tell us, and everything with glitter is gold. You hear that? So, we say, let them fall to their own demise, those who have risen against me, those who team up to try hurt the Lord's anointed or water down the Lord's anointed. You understand? Yeah. So, remember, everybody not gonna like me, because me not like shaky people. See? Me not work with doodle people. So all of that's the region there, and for them people, them not gonna like me. See? Remember, say me not eat front. Me not support front eating people. So all of what eat front and for them following not gonna like me. Remember, say me not endorse our artists them I sing about sucking and threesome and the bag of nasty thing them. So the whole of them, we do that and feed them audience and followers, not gonna like me. You understand? One thing me learn about life. One coke a full basket. Me no red eye. Me nah go sell myself or lose myself. We have all of these abundance that the devil is giving to people. My boss from 2001. Now we in a 2025. Me not easily frightened. Me not easily detracted. Them can't shoot me off of my pivot foot with them material things and all of what them I do. Me there and me hold my course and me stay in that lane here where me there. And me nah switch up. Me nah switch up. Me love my mother bad. My mother always tell me, say, ban your belly.
So yeah, my people, Foota Hype, I say some things, you know, and I say a bag of things, you know. I know only think about what I say because, you know, Foota Hype, over the years we see where him always a beat the artist them. Him stand for where him stand, but at the same time, standing for where you stand now go put money in your pocket. So he's sticking to the whole morality side of things. But at the same time, you know, I just saw it go if you're gonna survive, you're gonna starve for the rest of your life. And as he's saying that him righteous, you know, so you must stick to the righteousness, you know, because if you don't stand for something, you fall for anything. So that's the way you must say. But on to the next topic where we see Shaggy came out and clear the ear also as it go down with the same king argument and the goat argument. So listen to what Shaggy have to say, people.
Yeah, a lot of it didn't work in my favor. You know what I'm saying? Because that's leverage. If you're the number one artist in the world, not just, you know, in dancehall, in the world, that's a lot of leverage.
Showing off a little bit.
But that's a leverage. Yeah, that's a leverage. You remember now? All right, Bombastic.
Mm-hmm.
The first dancehall album first record period from a Jamaican to debut at #1 in the British chart. So Mr. Bombastic.
Facts.
First dancehall #1 in the British chart also, which is the equivalent of the US Billboard chart, was Oh Carolina. Right? The only album in dancehall to date, whether it be in the UK, British chart, or the US, the only dancehall album to ever go #1 is Hot Shot. No one else. No one else has ever done it. To this day. I don't care who they are. I did that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And still the highest selling guy. They still got to beat that too. Now, yeah, people might have more streaming, this and that, but I've did my job. But when I say I'm not here for get to go run nothing. I do my thing already. I have a fan base that measures I'm maintain.
Yeah.
It's like, a fan base that you ain't got to be the #1 podcast or whatever. But if you have a bunch of people that follow you, you have to put out the content where you know how to keep your fans them with you. You know, some might interpret that I want to come run things and what. I just doing my thing with my people.
But that's what I was saying though. Like, you come. What part of Jamaica you from?
Kingston. Born and raised.
So people, is it that Shaggy is flexing or he's just stating the obvious? He's shutting down all arguments about the king of dancehall, because even in his same argument, his same speech, he's emphasizing on the word dancehall, stating that his music is dancehall, not no other culture, not no other genre. So he's stating that they still have to beat that. So this whole ongoing conversation about goat and dancehall king, VYBZ KARTEL not in a conversation because he's yet to prove himself. And currently we seeing the songs that he's putting out. Those songs that he's putting out, he's just putting out songs for his fans or a few local fan base or a few local people round the road, cross the road or wherever. But we are yet to see VYBZ KARTEL true potential as it pertains to the global market or the global scene. So it's clear to say that whenever we're having conversation about the GOAT and who is the GOAT, it should be between Shaggy and Sean Paul, because VYBZ KARTEL not reach up there yet, because even the Beanie Man and the Shabarangs, VYBZ KARTEL is yet to reach their level of success or global appearance or appeal. So I don't know. Make me know what you think about that. But onto the other topic, people. Now, there's this video with one of VYBZ KARTEL fans in, I think it is Uganda, Uganda. So he's out here crying and saying that he wants to meet VYBZ KARTEL. He's dying to meet VYBZ KARTEL. And after being on the internet singing VYBZ KARTEL songs over 5 years straight, he's yet to meet his idol or yet to meet his daddy, as he's stated in a live or in a video. So listen to the video, ya people, and tell me what you think.
Yeah, hi everyone. How are you, Gaza Nation? Yeah, guys, today I'm here to ask my daddy VYBZ KARTEL a chance, cause it's now like 5 years when I'm singing his music, when I'm singing his freestyles, you know what I mean? I've been copying him since I was young, since he was in prison, but I'm not hearing anything from him. Please, daddy VYBZ KARTEL, please give me a chance and I meet you in Jamaica. Please let me come, please hear my prayers. I've been searching for attention for a long time. Please, daddy VYBZ KARTEL, I'm just requesting. I'm from Africa, Uganda. I'm called Chatab, and I wish one day I could meet you and I make toast with you without no flows as your son from Africa. I love you so much, Daddy VYBZ KARTEL.
So yeah, people, that a Chatter boy, you know, same name, Chatter boy from Uganda. And clearly, me not see no tears that come out. I don't know how emotional him be about VYBZ KARTEL, but he seems some sort of emotional or seems some sort of sincere. So me know one thing if you think him legit. But also, I have another video with him also singing and saying that I one Vendetta, one Gaza. So I guess he's just a fan of both artists, Alkaline and VYBZ KARTEL. But people, listen to that clip here and tell me one thing, because you know the Vendetta sign and the Vendetta unsigned and the name up on the wall behind him. But boy, it's just crazy. I don't know if Gaza fans will switch on him, but people watch that video.
Respect to the whole aspect. Vendetta Gaza, me represent. Baba in the place, somebody call no. Me represent Vendetta. If you know, not time to waste. Shatabaya, if you know Jamaica need a play. We fight me a day. Them see me like a boy a dancehall revenue. Never chat to me talk about that me. What a one young cartel a feast. Bombuckler, them can compare to it. Gaza.
Honestly though, when it comes to the music, you can definitely know say Africa and the African people, them love dancehall music to the max and them go hard feet. But on the other topic, people, with the school bus incident, there's the school bus incident with this, me don't know, a man, two man, or me don't know how much money in a car, but them a state say the school bus where them sit in front of them a drive around, it's a prisoner bus, and Andrew Oldness them a turn the school as them in a prisoner because him put them in a prisoner bus and say a school bus. Me don't know if them ever go outside of Jamaica or see other countries having these school bus and know say yo a school bus. Illiteracy at its highest of heights, people. Watch the video here.
Andrew officially done school in a prison to bus. Watch it. A prison bus that never dog. Freedom. Oh God, look how the youths them. Prison me dog, yo. A freedom street in here. Cartel come out gun tell you know. God man. And in my days you never have these things, you know. The Prime Minister actually look on the thing dog. Now I'm prison bus that don't always see in a show. Prison bus them that.
Me can't believe say the Prime Minister take this.
Yes, my people, the man them say a prisoner bus, Jaja, it's crazy out here. Them man need for really take education serious and the youths them to come for the future. Education really need to take serious because them man are illiterate to the highest of heights because them man are sit down behind the school bus, or drive behind the school bus and in themselves. How them feel for you say is a prisoner bus that. Them man are nonsense, you know? Them money are really nonsense. So the big yellow chichi bus, them a prisoner bus also. Them money are sick. Them implement and put school bus on the ground and them money are still not satisfied. Jaja people.
We would have been able to iron out so many more logistical issues and operational issues that we will have an absolute free, smooth flow. It's not just buses. It's buses, maintenance of the buses, parts for the buses, and most important, technology. As MP Anne-Marie Vaz said a while ago, they will have cards that they will use for a cashless system, and they will be able, they have to swipe on entering the bus and leaving the bus so that the school and the parents know exactly the location and the whereabouts. We are providing free Wi-Fi so that the children, while traveling, it took an hour from Buffalo to Tishfield this morning, so it's a reasonable time, can do work, and we encourage them to use it for the right purposes. But most importantly, we have surveillance cameras that the schools and the Ministry of Education and JUTC will have access to that actually monitors the driver's conduct and the student's conduct. So we will know everything about every person on the bus, including the driver, using technology. So that's where the Ministry of Transport and Telecommunications.
So yeah, people, the Portland MPs was giving details about the school bus, you know. And it's a good look for Portland, you know. It's a very, very good look for Portland. Respect and big up to the MP them who are putting the work for, put the necessary things them at fold that are at hands for the people them of Portland and of the other countries. So On the other topic, people. So Gaza fans, them, run out, brawling and billions in defense of Vybz Kartel, stating that he came from prison and him a make all of the artists, them a do big shows now. Him a make all of the artists, them a sell out arena and so forth. Every Gaza fans have the slightest credit for give to anybody else other than Vybz Kartel. So people may have some clippings with some Gaza fans, and they must say what they must say, but me know only think about what they must say in the comment section, people.
Message to Jamaican artist when VYBZ KARTEL was away, you wasting time.
900,000 o'clock anyway, and you watch out, can't really good it, just get it. Make we talk. This is a message to all of you Jamaican dancehall. Was here all these time when Kartel is behind bar. I fuck around. No Kartel come out and I use simple thing. You know goat? Get me passport. Land in Miami as me get me passport. Simple metaphor. You see that? I lacking comfy like the world. Me sorry for him to rascal. You know what me sorry for? He bad mind one them when it bad mind him when they want him come out. Cause no for no Jamaican artist never want to see Kartel free again, you know. You know go pass stage and I pretend like on a blood clot with him but big up the world boss and Ray. You know they want him come out because you know so him come out. He might go dominate the music fraternity again. One thing with Vybz Kartel, he still relevant for him but still no. He never fall off yet a rascal. And when he color did change, I'm out.
Yo, so through the boss forward out now, and I preach unity and I push unity and push positivity. All of a sudden now, we don't want the boss to be friends with all of these artists and artists. What did that? Dash them word rampantly. Every song where them drop is like them want throw them little can over this and look can over this. All who say man a honey palm and man I said this is my that and which part him them now get no front and this, that and the third and while him there in the so him the motor so you know all of these things. All of them. Where are they now? Where are they now? Where them there? Them fade. Them fade, bro. But all of a sudden now we don't want this, we don't want Kartel to be the biggest what they call it now? Unity maker. The man spread positivity, ain't nothing wrong with this, but don't forget that these artists were literally going out their way for disrespect this man, disrespect this brother, and try to we already know what type of situation he was in, and it's like, you know, when time a man down and you try to kick him down some more. That's what they were doing, bro. But all of a sudden now the boss forward out and lock the game continuously straight non-stop, even from prison to now. We don't want this man to just be the Lord and saving grace of everybody's career. Keep the same energy. Keep the same energy you wanted to have prior to the boss drop a road. Remember good no man? On the brain so shallow, no forget things so fast. Remember say all I wanted in the comments when no artists drop the song and say, yeah man, them man if rock in a prison man, them man if this that. Remember good no man? Remember good no man, I want to see him when they say the dog have a back fist a prison and dog for this and the dog for that and I know when you come out and guy, when you one bag of one bandwagon this type of set of people. You remember good no man? So why I don't want my artists now to be friends with every artist? Let's let it go. Let's let it go.
People, them Gaza fans are the weirdest set of fans me ever seen in my life, because these are the same fans out here speaking unity, wanting unity for the artists, them to help feed them artists, which is Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is struggling to bring the genre to another level. He's struggling to perform on a stage by himself, because when he performs, people forget about the performance because it wasn't memorable. So how will he be able to bring the genre to another level when his music is not doing the greatest of job ever, because it's just local music. It's just playing within the diaspora and the Jamaican space and the Caribbean. So how will his music go far globally if he can't perform on a stage or, whatsoever? Currently right now we see Vybz Kartel in every media outlet. He's on every platform, networking and bringing himself out there so the world can know him, so other fans can know him also. And these fans out there are saying the opposite, saying that, oh, why other fans want unity from Vybz Kartel and him fans them and Ray, not knowing that I feel them artists want unity. I feel them artists literally out here I try make it big in a life. I try make it international. Most times I don't feel like speaking on these topics because it's just an ongoing thing. It's just going through one year is coming through the other. It's like, me no know, bro. Me no know, because they're regurgitating these type of topics 24/7 when them not address the elephant in our room, stating say, yo, Vybz Kartel, we need if we bring the music global in the youth, either if I even your music. They're not stating the obvious. They're out here brainwashed and being fooled by the internet meme and the internet influencing and posting your house and your car and your Ray, not knowing that, bro, them artists not reach a level where him for reach after being in the game for 30 years. So, I don't know. People, make me know what you think in the comment section. Share your thoughts. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. I have nothing more to say. A mad thing. Ananda in our building. I'm out. Peace.